The testing continues. I am upping the ante. I'll show you what I did on the last page. I tested some of my pro markers, my pastels, and these Inktense water-based watercolor pencils, I guess, just to see what happens on the other side. And then I feel ready to, test them out, and hopefully I'll be a little bit more prepared for something like that. So what I'm going to do is tutorial 17 to get a grid of 4x4, and then sort of stop that halfway, and then actually 2x2, not 4x4, and then I'm going to do pattern 21. Let's begin. Okay, I realise I divided the joins a little bit incorrectly, but yes, this is the pattern. And also, gosh, so many extra lines in my tutorial that I made a few years ago. I feel like I need to do a clean, efficient version. But anyway, it's all there, and now I'm going to add colour with Derwent Inktense. So they're really vibrant, ink-based, behave like watercolour pencils. And the thing is, it's the first time I'm going to use water on here, and I'm going to live by the words a light wash, because I don't know that this paper can take being too wet. I did a little test here, but small shapes doesn't really do it justice. So this was tutorial number 17, then tutorial number 21, and the date is, I think it's the 21st of November 21. So time to add colour. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm quite happy with this. I do wish, in hindsight, I didn't make a mistake in the middle. I didn't use a water-based black pen because it ran, so I've tried to paint really carefully. I also wish that the fine liners, I hadn't used water-based one because they're running. But all in all, I think this would make a beautiful painting. And if I can show you the back side, it has bubbled and warped and so on. But what I'll do is when it's all dry, I'll try and flatten it, excuse me, and then we'll see how we go. But as we go, nice pattern. Wish I'd drawn it a bit more accurately. How many wishes was that? Loads of wishes. But this whole exercise in, just going for it, no kind of extra fuss and drama, is really, really, really enjoyable. And I'm learning a lot from it. So this was tutorial 17, then 21. Have a go, enjoy it. Oh, and if you want to buy my book, you can pre-order on my website. Okay, bye. Take care now. See you.